summer photographs to their best. Lots of sunshine on offer, but that's not going to be the case all week, as you might expect. Certainly very warm to begin with, including tomorrow for most of us, but through the middle part of the week turning a little bit more unsettled. And one main feature for Wednesday onwards is the wind. It's going to pick up particularly across the northern half of the UK. But as far as the rest of today is concerned, some very pleasant weather around, especially along the coast. A lot of sunshine on offer. As you can see, if you're lucky enough to have the day off tomorrow, well, you can have some quieter beaches and just as good weather in most places. And the sea breeze is helping to take the edge off the heat as well around the coast. That's quite pleasant. But inland, 25, possibly 26 degrees once again. Similar temperatures to what we saw yesterday. Not quite as high further north in Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, but still fairly pleasant nonetheless. But that sun particularly strong at the moment, of course, at 6 or 7 on our sun index across England and Wales, so some protection needed. And as you know, if you're a hay fever sufferer, very high pollen levels at the moment as well across England and Wales, and starting to rise now across Northern Ireland and southern Scotland too. But plenty more sunshine to come for most of us through the rest of the day, including the evening. Maybe the odd shower appearing across Scotland, but elsewhere it should stay completely dry. And dry overnight as well, with clear skies allowing temperatures down to between 8 and 12 degrees. Bit of rain just brushing across the north of Scotland through tomorrow morning and trying to nudge in towards Northern Ireland. That's thanks to this weather front that's going to try and move in from the Atlantic to change things a little bit through the middle of the week. But it's going to be a very slow process. So I think again for most of us tomorrow, a warm and sunny day, temperatures perhaps a degree or two higher than we're seeing through this afternoon, and certainly feeling warm just about everywhere. But later on, the heat might just be enough to set off 1 or 2 showers across Wales and the southwest of England, but they'll be fairly few and far between. The cloud probably thickening across Northern Ireland as well, perhaps some rain here through the latter part of the day. And then that weather front tries to nudge in during Tuesday, and it may just be the trigger to set off 1 or 2 thundery showers as it moves in, certainly introducing slightly cooler weather behind it as it moves through for the middle part of the week. You can see that real hot air gradually moving away, but even so, temperatures still around about the average for the middle part of June. Now, as I said, one major feature of the weather through the second half of the week will be the winds. Good for windsurfers, not so good for the rest of us, maybe. 25 or 26 possible. But then a big change through the middle and second half of the week because the winds start picking up. Could even touch gale force actually across some exposed parts of Scotland on Wednesday, and then coming in from a fresher northwesterly direction as we go through towards the end of the week. So that weather system on Wednesday not looking too pleasant. It's going to bring in strong winds, a fair amount of rain across northern areas as well. So it looks like Royal Ascot starting the week rather warm and humid with a risk of showers, but it's going to be cooler and fresher by the end of the week, as it will be just about everywhere. Anna.
Thank you very much, Anna. I'm afraid not. No, the heat wave is on its way out. Our weather is turning much more mixed, which means, well, you need to choose your days carefully at Ascot. Certainly there's a risk